Hello student, this is another important recent judgment series that we are going to deal with, and this is very important judgment that you are looking at the screen, and the name is, the judgment is NIA versus Oswes Amin 2024. Remember student, when we talk about the law, there are two categories of law, one that is substantive law and other that is procedural law. When we talk about procedural law, we always believe that the procedural law can be applied retrospectively. It's mean that if there is any provision of the procedure code can be applied retrospectively before the facts of this particular incident. Now this case has been raised one important issue. I'm just giving you a brief of this case, that this was the case in which the NIA has filed a case, a prosecuting case against that particular petitioner, and the case was, the background of this case was that it was started before 31st October 2019. Why I am using this date 31st October 2019? Because on 31st October 2019, the criminal procedure code is to be applied including the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Earlier to this date, the Jammu and Kashmir used to apply their own procedural law, and the procedural law was to be that there was a law criminal procedure code of Jammu and Kashmir. So now the question was that when on 31st October 2019 criminal procedure code is to be applied to the state of Jammu Kashmir too, if any proceeding is pending in the court of law, which law is to be applied? So generally it was raised that criminal procedure code is a procedural law, so why it should not be applied retrospectively to that particular person? In this judgment, Supreme Court has settled down the position and held that in this instant case, the criminal procedure code is not to be applied retrospectively, because it is going to make to leave adverse effect on the petitioner. So I am just giving one particular important section of this law, section number 196A of Jammu and Kashmir Criminal Procedure Code 1989. So there is one section 196 capital A of the Criminal Procedure Code of Jammu and Kashmir in the year of 1989, which requires the prior sanction is to be necessary. There should be a prior sanction before prosecuting that kind of person. So there was a mandatory provision to take the prior sanction of the government of the state and Jammu and Kashmir. But now when we talk about the Criminal Procedure Code, there is no such requirement is produced that you can prosecute any offender after taking prior permission of the state. So taking all these things together, Supreme Court held down that no, in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, the situation is something which is not similar to the common parlance. That is what we are not going to apply criminal procedure code retrospectively from the date of, that is the 31st October 2019. So whenever there is a question which is asked to you that in which of the following case it was held down by the Supreme Court that criminal procedure code is not to be applied retrospectively in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, you will always try to set down this, that NIA versus Oswes Amin 2024. This is an important judgment in brief. Thanks for watching this video.